Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange. I have a Allen Bradley three-phase motor starter. It's manual, meaning that you can't hook up a PLC or other things. You simply click it off and on. This was on a 1.5 horsepower squeegee sharpener or a sanding machine. It has a cord for the vacuum. So we're going to open this up and see what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of a garage door opener for automatic, for industrial. So we got three-phase. This is the power in, L1, L2, L3. And this was hooked up as 208 to 220, I believe, 110 and 110. So that's your three-phase. And if it would turn backwards, you would switch this one and this one. But you still need to take a meter and make sure that this is the high leg. Sometimes they put them in the wrong position. So, okay. So here is this is to the motor, T1, T2, T3. T is always, you'll see on the motor, it'll say T1, T2, T3. So that's hooked up from there. They hooked up a female plug so they can use the vacuum off of this. And they hooked it up to the 110. And there's a neutral and a ground. So that's how this works. Let's see, let's take this apart a little bit. I might keep this because it's a nice thing. I did notice when I opened it up previously, it did have some nice silver chunky contacts because, you know, and this probably could do more than, 1.5 horsepower. Okay, sorry. So here we go. So here's the contactors. You have a bunch of silver, 6 silver. You could run this like L1, L2 for 220, single phase motors as well, but it depends on what type of motor you have. Some more silver contacts, right? Well, these aren't silver, but the ones in here, lots of brass and good for scrapping. And right here, I think these are like maybe kind of like fusible links right here, from here to here, here to here. So it has some safety. It doesn't have like traditional fuse. And this goes to the fuse box. So yeah, so that's how these work. Let's see if I push in, it's on the stop, we'll push in the start. Yeah, it pushes this out. So yeah, that's how these motor starters work. You'll see these like on like machines, you just simple machines. Like I had one of these on a scrapping machine where it just scrapped everything at the pallets like plastic. So, but manual on and off. This is your motor starter. That's it. Thank you. Subscribe and like, and if you have any more questions, just ask me and I'll help you. Thank you. Bye.